You won't believe this breakthrough until you see it for yourself. A single camera that detects threats up to 2,100 meters away delivers stunning 640 by 512 thermal resolution, features built-in AI for instant intruder detection, and monitors temperature anomalies with surgical precision. This is the ACTi thermal camera. Designed for mission-critical locations like data centers, factories, and utilities, it's more than a camera. It's a real-time decision-making engine. Let's dive into the 6 incredible features that are changing the game. First, long-range monitoring power. The ACTi thermal camera offers a staggering 2,100-meter detection range. Whether you're securing the perimeter of a substation, monitoring raw material warehouses in a factory, or overseeing outdoor areas of a data center, this camera delivers unmatched thermal coverage. Detect abnormal heat signatures or movements long before they become threats. Say goodbye to manual patrols. Full security starts from the sky. Second, high-resolution thermal imaging. With up to 640 by 512 thermal resolution, even the smallest anomalies stand out. From high-voltage machinery in a factory to tightly packed power racks in data centers, this camera reveals clear thermal images even in smoke, fog, or low light. Precise visuals reduce false alarms and enable faster decision-making. Third, built-in AI analytics. This is not just a camera, it's an intelligent system. Built-in AI detects people, vehicles, line crossing, and intrusion in real time. Perfect for managing staff access at data centers, identifying intrusions in factory danger zones, or securing utility perimeters. Get instant alerts to stop risks before they escalate. Fourth, versatile temperature monitoring. From massive industrial transformers to one-use servers, ACTi thermal cameras offer pinpoint temperature tracking. Whether you're spotting early signs of overheating in factory lines, tracking thermal distribution in data centers, or keeping tabs on water treatment plant equipment, it's all covered accurately. Fifth, flexible form factors. Choose from bullet, turret, PET-Z, or bispectrum models to fit every deployment scenario. Whether it's mounted on a high mast, ceiling, or fence line, ACTi offers solutions tailored for wide area and indoor environments. Bispectrum options provide both thermal and visual imaging for cross-validation and faster identification. Sixth, high-sensitivity NETD sensor. With an NETD as low as 35 mK, this camera catches even the tiniest thermal changes. It's the ideal tool for detecting hidden heat anomalies in substations, pre-failure conditions in factory machines, or HVAC irregularities in data centers. In critical environments, sensitivity equals safety. For system integrators, the ACTi thermal camera is the smart tool for building winning proposals. Why? It allows you to deliver advanced monitoring, AI detection, and temperature control at up to 50% less cost than equivalent Axis models. While Axis might match some features, ACTi goes further with real-time AI, bispectrum options, and unmatched deployment flexibility. Whether you need better specs, a better price, or both, this is how you win business and margin. So, are you still comparing thermal cameras? Stop guessing and start securing. Contact ACTi today for a free consultation or request a trial system tailored to your environment. Download our white paper now and discover how to build the most efficient, budget-friendly thermal surveillance solution starting today.